Hi everyone, so in this video I have question from YouTube that he wants to add plugins or another instruments from other virtual instrument. So the first thing you have to do is by clicking the score you have made, or if you want to create a new score, you can click new score, create what instrument you want to create, and click done. In this tutorial I want to change the sound of the grand piano, so you have to click this mixer button and click this in sound department. This one is piano, and by clicking this one you can change the sound like this one from Musescore sound, or you can change to VST3 instruments. Okay, and can change like this one. Click play. Okay, and then choose the sound. In this tutorial I choose from Symphony Orchestra Gold percussion, Wood Steinway, and click this one. Okay, test. Yes. Let's test again. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, so you can hear the sound, and let's create notes by clicking N. And let's try to play it. Okay, so that's the sound. And if you want to add audio plugin, you can set like this one, fresh air, and power on, power off. Okay, so that's how to add plugin or other virtual instruments. See you on the next video. Bye.